In life, you've been putting your health last, for many reasons. Not knowing where to go, fear of the cost, no insurance. But it's time to make a decision. It's time for regular doctor's appointments. It's time for regular tests and procedures. It's time to take control of your health. At UH College of Medicine Direct Primary Care, we make it easy for you to take care of yourself and your family. Our direct primary care model is designed around you and your needs. As a member of our direct primary care program, you enjoy 24/7 access plus unlimited in-office and telehealth visits for an affordable monthly membership fee, discounted prescriptions and specialty diagnostic services, same or next day appointments, no need to wait. Located at a convenient location with free parking. Don't have insurance? No problem. Our direct primary care membership is designed to not need insurance. What are you waiting for? Make the decision now. Your UH College of Medicine Direct Primary Care medical team is waiting to help you take control of your health.